Okay, so tomorrow for the test, you'll have your testing notebook to use your paper that's in your scratch paper, okay? You will not tear out anything, okay? You can, I don't care randomly where you're finding spots in your notebook to use the scratch paper, okay? You're just gonna keep it in there, and then you'll just put your test back in the notebook, kind of how like we did before. But I want you to write your answers on the actual test, okay? Just so it's clean, because a lot of these take more room, okay? Okay, so number 14 is the one where we're going to have to factor all of them. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and start factoring. So the signs are the same. They're both going to be pluses. Okay, I split up my h's, and it's what are your factors of 8 that add to give you 6, which would be 4 and 2. Okay, and it doesn't matter where I put it because the signs are the same. Okay, now I got to do the next one. And again, the signs are the same. They're both going to be pluses. H. Factors of 6 that add to be 5. 3. Okay. And again, doesn't matter where I put it. Okay, so it's a division one. So we keep that one, change the division to multiplication, and now I'm going to flip it. So what's at top is h to the second minus 16. So that's a perfect square binomial, which means the signs are going to be different. Split up h, and then the square root of 16 is 4, not 8 and 8. That's out. Okay, now the one that was at the bottom goes up to the top. Signs are the same, they're both going to be plus. Factors of 15 that add to give you 8, 5, and 3. Okay, so do I need a common denominator with multiplication? No. Okay, so now we just start cross canceling. So top with bottom. Okay, so an h plus 4, yep, got another one. An h plus 2, yep.
I just didn't know that you can like go down for like cross cancel.
Any top with any bottom.
Yeah,
Okay. Okay. So then finishing it out, h plus 3. Plus. Okay. Over the last. So remember what we had, we had like 2/4 times, I don't know, 12 over 16. Like you can simplify this with this, right? Or you can simplify this with this. It doesn't matter as long as it's a top or the bottom. Okay, same rules with regular fractions. Okay, others that you're struggling with so that you're not struggling tomorrow on the test. No, don't be shy right now because you don't get open notes tomorrow. Okay, are we good on the one that needs to be flipped? Like rewritten? Everybody was good on that one? Okay. Okay, so ideas to make sure that you're studying the ones that you know that you are struggling with, to know the steps. Adding and subtracting, you have to have common denominators, right? Whatever you multiply the top by, you gotta multiply the bottom by. The top has to be multiplied through. Okay, the bottom, once you found a common denominator, just leave it. Okay, don't like spend more time putting it back together. The numerator you have to, okay, because that's a rule when we add and subtract. Simplify this numerator, simplify this numerator, and then combine them. Okay, we good? Okay, so names and scores on them, pass them forward.